dreams we understand. Every voice begins to say there's a better way. Let the music lift your soul, let the healing take control. Every heartbeat starts to say, brighter comes the day. There's a light of tomorrow beyond every sorrow. Through the night we will stand, holding hope in our hands. Light of tomorrow we see, like a wave on the sea. Every dream taking flight in the morning light. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh yeah. Whoa, yeah. Different places, different lives, still the same, hope survives. Every melody we share brings a little more care. From the islands to the streets, people moving to the beat. Every rhythm tells the same, every soul aflame. Let the music break the walls, hear the freedom when it calls. Every heart begins to sing, love is everything. Feel the sound begin to grow, let the positivity flow. Every voice begins to rise, echo in the skies. There's a light of tomorrow, no more fear, no more sorrow. Through the storm we remain, stronger through the pain. Light of tomorrow will shine like a beautiful sign. Every heart will unite in the morning light. Whoa. When the world feels cold and gray, let the melody show the way. Close your eyes and feel the sound, let your spirit lift off the ground. Every tear becomes a spark, every flame defeats the dark. Hold the rhythm in your soul, let the music take control. There's a light of tomorrow, hope we all can follow. Every dream burning bright in the reggae light. Light of tomorrow we bring, hear the whole world sing. Every heart, every voice in a peaceful choice. Oh, 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 oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh yeah. Whoa, oh, yeah, yeah. Whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. Light of tomorrow, shining forever. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, oh, 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 yeah. Oh, feel the sunrise coming. Let the rhythm begin. Feel the rhythm of the rising sun. A brand new day has begun. Through the darkness we will run toward the light of the rising sun. Rhythm of the rising sun. Every heart beats as one. Let the music carry on till the night is gone. Yeah. Golden light across the sea, bringing hope for you and me. Every wave begins to glow with a rhythm deep and slow. Walking through the morning air, feel the freedom everywhere. Every step begins to say today's a brighter day. Hey, freedom in the air tonight. Feel the love, feel the light. Let the music take you high, like a bird across the sky. Freedom in the air we breathe. Every heart begins to believe. No more chains, no more fear. Freedom in the air. Walking down the open road, leaving behind the heavy load. Every step a brand new start. Hope is beating in my heart. Hear the wind across the sea, whispering a melody. Every dream begins to rise, shining like the sunrise. Let the rhythm guide your soul. Let the positive take control. Feel the energy everywhere. Freedom in the air. Hey, freedom in the air tonight. Every star is shining bright. Through the dark we find the way, turning night into the day. Hey, freedom in the air we sing. Hear the joyful sound it brings. Hand in hand we share. Freedom in the air. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. From the islands to the streets, people dancing to the beat. Different colors, different names, still we share the same flame. Every voice begins to rise, echoing across the skies. Music louder than the fear. Hope is drawing near. When the world feels cold and gray, let the melody lead the way. Close your eyes and feel the sound. Let your spirit leave the ground. Freedom in the air tonight. Let the whole world reunite. Every heart, everywhere. Freedom in the air. Freedom in the air we share. Love is stronger than despair. Hear the people everywhere. Freedom in the air. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Freedom in the air we share. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let the sound travel far, across the oceans and the stars. Echoes of one love tonight, shining like a guiding light. Through the darkness we can see what the world was meant to be. Echoes of one love we hear, breaking through the doubt and fear. Every voice, every song, saying we belong. Walking down the open street, moving to the reggae beat. Every face a different story, every soul a spark of glory. Hear the children laugh and play, chasing all the clouds away. In their eyes the truth is clear, love is always near. Through the noise and through the crowd, hear the voices rising loud. Every melody we bring makes the spirit sing. Let the rhythm guide your soul, let the healing take control. Every heartbeat starts to say, the land. When the night feels cold and long, let the music be your song. Close your eyes and feel the sound. Let your spirit live from the ground. Every tear becomes a spark. Every flame defeats the dark. Hold the rhythm in your soul. Let the music take control. Echoes of one love tonight. Let the whole world reunite. Every dream burning bright in the reggae light. Echoes of one love we share. Hope is everywhere. Sing it loud and free for eternity. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Echoes of one love, forever in the sound. Fire in the rhythm tonight. Fire in the rhythm tonight. Feel the bass line shining bright. Hands up high to the sky. We were born to fly. Fire in the rhythm we feel. Every heartbeat strong and real. No fear living inside. Let the music be our guide. Morning sun on the ocean side. Golden waves in the rising tide. Every step on this road we take. Another chance for love to wait. Hear the drums from far away, calling hearts that lost their way. Through the darkest spark appears, washing away the doubts and fears. Oh, feel the sound, feel the groove. Let the reggae make you move. From the mountains to the sea, let the rhythm set you free. Fire in the rhythm tonight, shining like a guiding light. Every voice, every soul, moving to the same control. Yeah. Fire in the rhythm we bring. Hear the whole world sing. No divide in the sound. Love is what we found. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. Yeah. Oh, oh. Oh. Different stories, different lands. Still we walk with open hands. Music stronger than the walls. Hear the freedom when it calls. City lights or island breeze. Same vibration in the trees. Every note we amplify. Let the spirit multiply. Yeah. When the storm begins to rise, look into the brighter skies. Every heartbeat, every flame, we are stronger just the same. Fire in the rhythm tonight. Let it burn forever bright. One love, one destiny. Sing it for the world to see. Yeah. Fire in the rhythm we feel. Every dream becoming real. Hands together we stand. Peace across the land. Yeah. Oh, oh. Yeah. Oh, oh. Oh, yeah. Way, oh, oh. Way, oh, oh. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, oh. Feel the ocean breeze tonight. Listen to the heartbeat of the islands. Yeah. Yeah. Feel the heartbeat of the islands tonight. Drums are playing in the moonlight. Every rhythm feels so right in the island night. Heartbeat of the islands we hear, calling every soul so clear. Let the music take control deep inside your soul. Golden sunset on the shore. Hear the waves forever roar. Palm trees dancing in the wind. Let the good vibes begin. Footprints fading in the sand. Stories written by the land. Hear the drums across the bay, calling hearts to come and sway. Every heartbeat starts to move to the island groove. Let the bassline roll and play, wash your worries all away. Every voice begins to sing, joy the rhythm brings. Feel the heartbeat of the islands tonight. Stars are shining oh so bright. Every soul dancing free like the endless sea. Oh, heartbeat of the islands we share, floating through the tropical air. Every heart beating strong to the reggae song. From the beaches to the town, hear the reggae shaking ground. Different faces gather round to the same sweet sound. Laughter echoes through the night, under stars of silver light. Every rhythm in the breeze, moving through the trees, yeah. Let the music travel far, past the moon and every star. Every voice begins to say, love will lead the way. Feel the vibration growing strong, hear the people sing along. Every heartbeat starts to rise, echo in the skies. Feel the heartbeat of the islands tonight. Let the whole world feel the light. Every dream taking flight in the reggae night. Heartbeat of the islands we bring, hear the harmony we sing. Every heart, every head, peace across the land. When the night feels warm and slow, let the island rhythm flow. Close your eyes and feel the beat moving through your feet. Every worry fades away when the reggae starts to play. Hold the rhythm in your soul, let the music take control. Yeah, feel the heartbeat of the islands tonight. Nothing's gonna stop this light. Every soul shining bright in the reggae light. Step another day. This is the journey of the heart, every ending, every start. Through the night we see the spark lighting up the dark. Journey of the heart, journey of the heart we ride, like the ocean turning tide. Every dream plays a part in the journey of the heart. Walking through the morning light, leaving shadows of the night. Every road that we have known led us to this song. Through the valleys, through the rain, through the joy and through the pain. Every step begins to show how our spirits grow. Hear the wind begin to sing songs of hope the future brings. Every melody we share floating in the air, yeah. Let the rhythm lift your soul, let the healing take control. Every heartbeat starts to say, there's a brighter day. This is the journey of the heart, where the dreams of life will start. Through the storm we remain strong, singing freedom song. Journey of the heart, we feel every moment real, every moment pure and real. Every soul shining bright in the reggae light. To the sea, every soul just wanna be free. Different roads we walk along, still we share this song. Music stronger than the walls, hear the freedom when it calls. Every rhythm tells the truth, living in the youth. Let the bass sound roll tonight, like the stars above so bright. taking flight in the reggae night. Journey of the heart, we bring you the harmony, we sing. Every hand in the land, walking hand in hand. When the night feels cold and long, let the music be your song. Close your eyes and feel the beat moving through your feet. Every storm will fade away, giving birth to brighter days. Hold the rhythm in your soul, let the music take control. This is the journey of the heart. Every dream plays a part. Through the darkness we will start, lighting every heart. Journey of the heart we share. Hope is everywhere. Hope is everywhere. The boy shining bright in the reggae light. Oh yeah. Journey of the heart. Let the music play. Let the music take your soul. Oh yeah, yeah. We're shining through the night like a fire burning bright. Through the darkness we will rise, see the hope in our eyes. Shining through the night we stand, dreams are written in the sand. Every voice, every light, shining through the night. Walking down the road alone, searching for a place called home. Every mile another story, every step a path to glory. Heavy clouds above my head, memories of words once said. But the rhythm in my chest keeps reminding me I'm blessed. Hear the ocean calling loud through the silence of the crowd. Everywhere begins to say there's a brighter day. Feel the bass line in your heart, let the healing start. Every note begins to rise like the sunrise in the skies. We're shining through the night like the stars above so bright. Through the struggle and the pain, hope will rise again. Shining through the night we say, hear the freedom that it brings. One love burning bright, shining through the night. Yeah. Different faces, different lands, still we walk with open hands. Music louder than the walls, hear the freedom when it calls. From the islands to the streets, people dancing to the beat. Every heartbeat feels the same, every soul aflame. Let the rhythm wash away all the worries of the day. When the melody appears, it erases all the fears. Let the sound begin to grow, let the positive flow. Every voice begins to rise, echoing across the sky. We're shining through the night, nothing's gonna stop this light. Through the thunder and the rain, love will still remain. Shining through the night we fly, higher than the open sky. Every dream takes flight, shining through the night. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When the storm begins to roll, we keep knocking at the door of a world where peace can stay. Every single day, through the darkness we believe there's a light we can achieve. Hold the rhythm in your soul, let the music take control. We're shining through the night, let the whole world feel the light. Every voice, every heart, playing their own part. Shining through the night we stand, peace across the land. Together we ignite, shining through the night. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feel the rhythm shining through the night. Shining through the night. Oh yeah. Look onto the sky tonight. Dreams are shining bright. Under a sky full of dreams tonight, every star is shining bright. Through the darkness we believe, in the dreams we will achieve. Sky full of dreams we see, calling you and calling me. Every heart begins to fly underneath this endless sky. Walking under midnight blue, thinking of the dreams we knew. Every hope we tried to find, still alive inside the mind. Hear the wind across the sea, singing songs of destiny. Every wave begins to say, don't let hope fade away. Oh yeah, every step along the road, lighter than the past we hold. Every sunrise brings a sign, better days will shine. Let the rhythm guide your soul, let the healing take control. Every heartbeat starts to say, dreams will find their way. Yeah, you're under a sky full of dreams tonight. Let the whole world feel the light. Through the storm we stand strong, singing freedom song. Sky full of dreams we share, floating in the air. Every voice rising high to the endless sky. Different faces, different lands, still we walk with open hands. Music louder than the walls, hear the freedom when it calls. From the islands to the streets, people dancing to the beat. Every melody we play chases fear away. Oh yeah, let the bass line roll tonight, like the stars above so bright. Every voice begins to say, love will lead the way. Feel the vibration growing strong, hear the people sing along. Every voice begins to rise, echo in the sky. Yeah, yeah. Under a sky full of dreams tonight, nothing's gonna stop this life. Every dream taking flight in the reggae night. Sky full of dreams we bring, hear the harmony we sing. Every heart, every hand, peace across the land. When the world feels cold and gray, let the melody show the way. Close your eyes and feel the sound, let your spirit lift from the ground. Every tear becomes a spark, every flame defeats the dark. Hold the rhythm in your soul, let the music take control. Under a sky full of dreams tonight, let the whole world reunite. Every dream burning bright in the reggae light. Sky full of dreams we share, hope is everywhere. Singing loud and free for eternity. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sky full of dreams, let the music fly. Whoa. Oh yeah. Listen to the sound tonight, voices rising in the light. Yeah. Hear the voices of the world tonight, singing louder for the light. Every nation, every land, standing strong, hand in hand. Voices of the world will rise, echoing across the skies. One love shining bright in the reggae night. Walking through the city lights, searching for the truth in life. Every heart a different song, still the rhythm moves along. From the mountains to the sea, people dreaming to be free. Every voice begins to say, love will find a way. Hear the children laugh and sing, feel the hope their voices bring. Through the darkness we can see what the world could be. Let the music fill the air, let the message travel everywhere. the same hope we seek. Music breaking every wall. Love is stronger than them all. Every rhythm tells the truth in the hearts of every youth. Hear the drums begin to play, lighting up the way. From the islands to the streets, people dancing to the beat. Every heartbeat says the same: we are one flame. Feel the vibration in the sound. Let the love go all around. Every voice begins to rise, reaching to the skies, yeah. Hear the voices of the world tonight. Let the darkness turn to light. Every dream taking flight in the reggae night. Voices of the world we bring. Hear the harmony we sing. Every heart in the land standing hand in hand. When the world begins to fall, let the music break the wall. Every note a guiding flame, every soul the same. Through the storm we keep the faith. In the love we celebrate. Hold the rhythm in your soul. Let the music take control. Hear the voices of the world tonight. Nothing's gonna stop this light. Every voice, every heart playing their own part. Voices of the world we share. Hope is everywhere. Sing it loud and free for eternity. Oh yeah. Voices of the world, sing it loud tonight. Oh yeah. Voices of the world, sing it loud tonight. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, feel the ocean breeze tonight. Let the rhythm carry you. Ride the waves of freedom tonight. Let your spirit feel the light. Through the storm we learn to fly, like the birds across the sky. Ride the waves, feel the sound. Let the love go all around. Every heart can see freedom in the sea. Standing on the shoreline wide, watching all the turning tide. Every wave that hits the sand writes a story in the land. Life is like the restless sea, moving wild and endlessly. Sometimes calm and sometimes strong, still the rhythm moves along. Hear the wind begin to sing, songs of hope the waves will bring. Every dream begins to rise under open skies. Let the rhythm take control. Feel it deep inside your soul. Every beat begins to say, there's a brighter day. Ride the waves of freedom tonight. Feel the fire burning bright. Through the darkness we can see hope across the sea. Ride the waves and let it flow. Let the whole wide world know. Every voice, every dream shining like a bee, yeah. Oh yo yo yo. Oh yo yo yo. Oh, shining like a bee, yeah. From the islands to the town, hear the reggae shaking ground. Different languages we speak, still the same truth we see. Music stronger than the pain, like the sunshine after rain. Every melody we share, freedom in the air. Walking through the crowded street, still we move to the same beat. Every heartbeat starts to say, love will lead the way. the music be your song. Close your eyes and feel the beat.